In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Discord to your VidIQ account. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and enhance your content creation process. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the VidIQ website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, which is app.vidiq.com. Once you're on the site, it's important to ensure that you're logged into your VidIQ account. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that now by entering your credentials. Now, once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of the VidIQ interface. Here, you'll find your profile picture or icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a small menu with several options that relate to your account. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. Clicking on this will redirect you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your VidIQ account. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the Settings page, as it provides many options that can enhance your VidIQ experience. Next, on the Settings page, locate the Apps and Extras section. Click on it to proceed. This is where you can connect various applications, including Discord, to your VidIQ account. However, it's worth noting that if your account does not support connecting to Discord, you might not see the option to add Discord in this section. If this is the case, ensure that your VidIQ account is updated and compatible with the integration features. If your account is compatible, you should see an option to add Discord. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection process. This will typically involve authorizing the connection between VidIQ and your Discord account, which should only take a few moments. And there you have it! You've successfully connected your Discord to your VidIQ account, assuming the compatibility requirements were met. This integration can be incredibly useful for managing your content creation process, enabling you to receive notifications and updates directly through Discord. If you encounter any issues during this process, be sure to check out VidIQ's support resources or contact their customer service for further assistance. They can provide additional guidance to ensure that your accounts are linked smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Happy content creating!